So for our Lego Thursday, we're building a golf cart. So it's kind of got it's got its roof piece. And, yeah. The one piece that could be kind of hard for you is there's this one big piece where all the tires attach to it. But otherwise, it's a pretty simple build. Alright, so let's get to it. So to start out here, you're going to want to take your assembly here. It's just these wheels are snapped on to it. Black. And you're going to take some more black pieces. It's a 3x4 space, so I took a black 2x4 plate and a black 1x4 plate to make it flat. So now there's not a gap under there. So then after that, you're going to take one of these 2x6 plates and put it there. It doesn't really matter since there's no front or end now, but we just made one. This little piece here is the back where it doesn't have the white spot. And you're going to take this kind of mud guard thing, attach it there to the front, and you're going to take your clear cheese pieces and whoop, where'd it go? Right there. And put them on like that. So when you're done with that, we're going to work on the roof assembly. So you're going to take these remaining 2x6 plates and attach a 4x4 plate on top of it. So there's 2x4 plate space showing. Like that. Snap those together better. And you're going to kind of take this sloped brick, see? And you're going to attach it like that. So the slope is there on the part where it kind of curves like the top, highest part. And you're going to take these two 2x1 bricks and just attach them to the bottom like that. Okay. So now we got to work on the sides here. So you're going to take these 2x1 plates with kind of a ledge on the side and attach them to the front area of the 3x1 gap on both sides. And you're going to take your white cheese pieces and put them in that little remaining 1x1 gap. So let's snap those in. See? It's kind of what it looks like right now. When you're done with that, you're going to take these kind of different slopes. It's kind of a 1x1 brick with a little cheese piece on it. You're going to attach it to the space right before the black starts. Like that. And you're going to take your other 2x1 brick and put it there. So it covers up that black spot. After that's done, you're going to take your 1x4 plate, attach these weird curved things. Like that. So then it kind of makes a wheel well almost for the tire. It's going to go on both sides. And you're going to attach your roof assembly to your golf cart. So thanks for watching this Lego video, and if you want to see more like it, remember to like and subscribe and click that bell. The thing that I kind of messed up on was I don't have a white steering wheel to put there, so I just skipped it all together. If you do, great, you can put it there, but I didn't. So that's all I kind of have to say. And thanks for watching. Bye.